Here are the very brief answers in English, along with the Haitian Creole translations. Why are you here today? Answer: for the interview. What is your name? Answer: my name is Mark. Can you spell your name? Answer: M-A-R-C. What time is your interview? Answer: 10 o'clock. How do you hear about Amazon? Answer: through internet or through my friend Carlene. She works here. Why do you want to work for Amazon? Answer: I like their innovation. What is your date of birth? Answer: October 10th, 1985. What is your address? Answer: 155 Broadway Avenue, North Haven. What do you do if there is a fire? Answer: evacuate to the nearest exit. Why safety is important? Answer: it protects everyone. What is one of the job requirements? Answer: being physically active. What do you do after using the bathroom? Answer: wash my hands. Name one way to stay hydrated on work? Answer: drink water. Why it is important to stretch at the beginning of your shift? Answer: prevents injuries and accidents. Can you show me the nearest exit? Answer: point to it. Did you know the job is full-time? Answer: I did. What is the speed limit of the parking lot? Answer: 5 miles per hour. Do you have some experience? Answer: yes, I do. If you have some, and no, I don't. If you don't have,